Welcome back, and on this episode we're going to be talking about a catcher's mitt. Howdy, and welcome back to Beaver Mountain Works. Glad you all came back, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Well, I think it went. Not much of a bell, but whatever, you got the point. And you'll get to know about new videos that are coming out. But on this particular episode, we're going to be rebuilding a catcher's mitt. The gentleman brought it in, he had it, and it's been passed on to his daughter, and it's got some wear and tear on it, and we're going to rebuild this. So, glad you joined us. So, examining the catcher's glove here, we're looking at some of the damage, and the damage underneath here. The ball's hit several times, and he's had it rebuilt here. He took it to a shoe repair place, I think. They did a patch in here, and it's still has some wear and tear. Plus there's some damage up here in this area here. So we're gonna basically replace this whole cup in here. Rebuild it. The outside looks still good enough for what he wants. So we start taking it apart, and that's where we're gonna be. So I've taken all the lace out from the palm. And it's all done here, and there's the palm here that we're going to replace. So I've laid out a template, and I'm working on the template now. And next video you'll see is when I have the piece all cut out and prepped, ready to go back on. So we've made the template. Right now I'm putting on some contact cement so I can do the pipe edging around the edge here, make it finished off. I'm just going to let that dry a little bit before we put it together. While we do that, we'll talk to you a little bit about the template here we made. Pull the lace out, and that's padding on the inside. This is the old one. Let's see how ripped up the piping is here on the edge. It's a template made here for it. Transposed it in there, made sure everything's going to fit right, and made this unit here up. Put some reinforcement that they asked in certain areas, like they had on the original. We had somebody put this in at a shoe repair place before, and we extended it over where the wear goes. So that's stitched on, and now we're gonna start putting the piping, gluing it into place here. Just basically pulling and pushing and prodding and getting everything the way it needs to be. A nice pretty piping there. Hold around first. All the way around it. Lay it down, get it in position. It's going to have that nice pretty edge on it then. This is real leather. This is actually pigskin here I'm using. This on here was imitation plastic with cloth underneath it. You can see it right there. The cloth, and that's just plastic there, so it just deteriorated to nothing. This is good pigskin, which is very durable. Those pigs are hard asses. Basically, I'm going to go around and get it all prepped, and I'll trim it up, and we'll see you in a bit. Well, we're at the point that we're releasing them together. You know, pretty soon she's going to be out there playing softball. Have a lot of fun. But in the meantime, just in one hole, out the other. In one hole, out the other. See you in a bit. So, last thing you saw was me starting to do the lacing, and that's the inside was like when I took it over. You can see all that nasty shit. It was all wore out. That was what it was. And that's what it looks like now. We had the reinforcement a little bit larger. Just what you want to replace on there. Put a little decal thing on here for, has a, I'm not going to show you the name on there, but little thing there for his daughter. And put that baby on and go play ball. Oh yeah, batter, you're gonna swing like a sissy. Yeah, I'm here's the catcher. Yeah, here we got it. She's all done up. So we'll get off to the client. She'll have fun this year. Y'all take care now. Remember, Beaver Mountain Works. Don't forget to subscribe. And you dream it, we make it. Take care now.